Howdy, howdy, everybody. I hope y'all are having a fantastic day, and I would like to say welcome to my channel if you're new here, and welcome back if you've been watching my videos. Thank you very much. Today is the 13th day of my 25 days of Christmas, and I have this beautiful silver holographic wrapping paper. It is absolutely beautiful, but I can tell you it is also a nightmare to try to work with. It doesn't really want to cut, not using scissors anyway. If you have a different way to cut it, it might work different. I don't know, but when I'm trying to cut it, it will rip. With scissors, it doesn't do what I want it to, but that's neither here nor there. I have a little plastic tray that I saved from when my husband was in the hospital because I figured I could do something with it, and today I am going to be using it as a mold. Yes, it does have a pattern on the bottom and has the symbol for recycling. That's not going to matter when I'm finished with it. Okay? Let's get started on this project. Alright, I managed to cut a piece that fits in here not too greatly, but it does fit. I'm planning on pouring some resin in on it. I'm hoping that it will help it flatten out, but if it doesn't, that's okay. It will still, sorry about that, hit the camera. It will still be in there, and I'm thinking that I'm going to take different color glitters and mix them up and leave my resin clear. Of course I'm going to leave the resin clear, but I'm thinking about mixing up glitter in it, and you'll be able to see this behind it, and then the mixed up glitter will be all over. Don't know if it's gonna work, don't know what's gonna happen, don't know if this is gonna stay down, but I'm going to try it. I have roughly 30 milliliters of resin mixed up clear. I'm going to pour some in and see what happens. Alright, so I'm going to let that sit for a little bit. Okay, now I have several different colors of glitter out here. Ooh. Well, that is definitely 3 different colors of green. I think I'm going to go with the dark green and this one. Alright. So I have those 2 out, and this one is chunkier. This one is like super fine. I was going to use some of my super fine holographic glitter, but I figured since the background is already the silver holographic that I didn't need to be adding silver holographic. As I was saying, I didn't think that I needed to add more holographic silver since the background is holographic silver. That would kind of not be good, I think. Anyway, I have a red. It's super fine. And I have a chunky blue. And I have a chunky gold. I'm going to look to see if I have a chunky red. It's not really chunky like some of it. It's larger flakes. I'm going to look for the larger flake red. I found it, but I think it's not too much different. Alright, so I'm going to add some of these in here into this hair resin. Look at that. Sun's already jumped up on me. That might be enough of that one. I don't know. Oh, this stuff just gets everywhere. It gets under the screw top. Then it comes out all up. Look at there. I don't know how much of that I just added because I can't really tell. I think that might be good. Oh, come on, go back on. See, and then it clogs up the cap, and it don't want to go back together. Let's go with red. Oh, that's already pretty. I think that's enough of that. My hope is that the actual ultra fine glitter will actually stay suspended, whereas this stuff will probably sink some. I don't know. We're gonna find out. And I got this idea to mix all this from Miss Marcy, Marcy's Artsy Fartsy Creations, because she made something during one of her days of Christmas. I don't remember what she made, I'm so sorry. But she made something, and she mixed all her glitter. I do remember the glitter because I told her I wanted to do it too. Because, oh, whoa, that whole lid come off. Because it was pretty. That's a lot of blue there. Unfortunately, I do not have any ultra fine blue, which kind of not as good. And then I'm going to put in some gold and see what I got. Let's shake, shake, shake. Why is this stuff so hard to come out? Okay, that's pretty. My dogs heard me tapping. They think somebody's knocking. Hold on, let me holler hush at them. Okay, okay. We's back in business now. That is pretty, but I think all the other colors are dominating the green. So I think I want to add a little bit more green. Actually, I think what happened was all my fine green is on my stir. See, it's all on there. I might can wipe some of it off. I don't know. But I am going to go ahead and put some more in here. Even though I see it floating around on the sides, I just don't really see it in the resin itself. I'm going to add some more of the larger chunky stuff too. Larger flakes, not chunky. Mine's not chunky, it's just larger flakes. I wish I had some chunky. Never liked chunky glitter until resin, y'all. Really. I always thought chunky glitter was just dumb, but it works really well for resin. Come on. Let me move his stick out of the way. Alright, see what we got now. Technical difficulties, can't get the lid shut. Oh, there we go. Alright, let's see what we got now. I hope I have enough of the resin to do what I want it to do. Oh, if nothing else, that's beautiful. I think Marcy had more resin compared to glitter, but we'll see. We'll see what happens with this. Alright, I'm gonna pour it in. Oh yeah, she definitely had more, because mine looks like a muddy mess. Yeah, looks like I might be mixing some more resin. Okay. Yep. I think I'm gonna mix up a little bit more. But then it's already kind of thick. Nah, I'm gonna mix up a little bit more. What can it hurt, right? Okay, I mixed up another 15 mil. I think that might be good enough. I don't know. It's more than what I had in there. I mean, you know, without glitter in it. Okay. Let's stir this in. It's got 1,000,000 micro bubbles in it. But it definitely looks better now than it did. I'm going to leave this sitting here for a while before I try to cure it anymore. I'm just going to let it do its own thing so it can settle a little bit. Maybe some of these bubbles will come out of it. Alright. Yep. Sorry about the dogs. My husband just came in the door and they're crazy. This is what it looks like for right now. So, my fingers are crossed, y'all. Okay, here it is. Let's see if we can get this thing out. No, it is nowhere near as pretty as Marcy's was, but it's still pretty. It's very dark. I definitely used too much glitter. And I'm sorry if you can hear my heater in the background. It has a fan on it that is quite loud. There's nothing I can do about that noise. So, I'm sorry. Because where I normally video at, I cannot, because it is a bedroom that my husband sleeps in. And he is in bed. So anyway, let's see if we can get this thing out of this plastic. Cross your fingers, because I'm not sure it's coming out. Okay, hang tight, y'all. I had to rip the plastic. That's so loud. Well, you can't actually see the place where it has the this thing, this symbol, the recycling symbol. That's what it is. It doesn't. You can't see that in the actual piece itself. That right there is where the resin didn't get in it or something. But I like the fact that you can see. It's like it's dimensional. So if I fill that part right there in, I could actually leave this like that, because I kind of like that, y'all. Am I weird? There's a place right there that kind of sunk in. However, I could put tape around this thing and then fill it in if I wanted to, but I kind of like that pattern right there, so I kind of don't want to lose that. And what I would do with this is probably turn it into a keychain, or depending on if my granddaughter wants me to, I can make an ornament out of it. I don't know. I'm not happy with this. It did not turn out like Marcy's. However, on my end, it's not as dark. There it is. That's what it kind of looks like right there. I kind of like it and I kind of don't, but I do like this side. Okay, well, if y'all stuck with me until the end of this video, bless your heart. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. And I want to say, please go over to Marcy's channel. She put up a video earlier about having technical issues and not being able to get out her video for today. So y'all go over there and watch that video and definitely leave her comments, because she needs encouragement. They need prayers. It's about her son. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I want y'all to go over there and watch that video. Like I said, she truly needs encouragement and positive thinking and prayers. Okay? So that's it for this video. Thank y'all very much. I will catch you in the next one. Bye.